Discover ultimate convenience with the best foldable electric bike for adults under $500, combining lightweight portability with efficient pedal assist power. Perfect for city commutes, errands, or weekend rides, this compact e-bike delivers comfort, speed, and reliability without breaking the bank. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
The number 1 LELEKUAI 24 miles per hour foldable electric bike. The LELEKUAI 24 miles per hour foldable electric bike offers an impressive blend of power, convenience, and urban mobility, making it an excellent choice for city commuters and weekend riders alike. Equipped with a high-torque 560-watt motor, this e-bike reaches speeds of up to 24 miles per hour, providing swift acceleration for traffic navigation or a quick ride around town. Riders can enjoy a smooth and reliable experience thanks to the responsive dual-disc brakes, which ensure precise stopping power even on busy streets or uneven surfaces. The bike's removable 36-volt, 10-amp-hour lithium battery adds practicality, allowing riders to charge indoors and extend their travel range without worry, while the durable build supports a stable and safe experience for adult riders. Whether commuting to work, running errands, or enjoying recreational rides, the LELEKUAI 24 miles per hour foldable electric bike delivers an impressive combination of speed, battery life, safety, and portability. Its modern design and practical features make it a standout option for adults seeking an affordable, high-performance foldable electric bike without compromising on style or functionality. Overall, this e-bike balances power, convenience, and safety, making it a top contender in the under $500 foldable e-bike category.
Number 2. Windone S14 Foldable Electric Bike. The Windone S14 foldable electric bike is designed to provide a smooth, efficient, and comfortable riding experience, ideal for adult riders who need a practical yet reliable commuting solution. Powered by a 350-watt motor that can peak at 500 watt, this e-bike achieves speeds up to 19 miles per hour, allowing for effortless rides through city streets or suburban paths. Its pedal assist system extends the rider's reach up to 28 miles, combining manual pedaling and electric support for energy-efficient journeys. Safety is a priority, and the Windone S14 meets this with front and rear disc brakes that deliver responsive stopping power, even on unexpected terrain or in sudden braking situations. The bike's compact folding frame makes storage and portability straightforward, fitting neatly in car trunks or apartments with limited space. Lightweight and ergonomic, the Windone S14 allows riders to enjoy commuting, recreational rides, or errands without fatigue or stress. Its combination of efficiency, safety, and comfort makes it a dependable choice for adults seeking an affordable, high-performing e-bike under $500. With thoughtful engineering, a durable build, and convenient foldable design, the Windone S14 stands out as a practical option for anyone looking to enhance daily travel while keeping mobility and affordability in mind.
Number 3. DTTZH A12 UL2849 Foldable Electric Bike. The DTTZH A12 UL2849 foldable electric bike delivers high performance and versatility, making it an exceptional choice for adults who want both speed and convenience in an urban-friendly design. Equipped with a 750-watt motor that can peak at 1,000 watt, this e-bike reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour and navigates city streets with ease, providing an exhilarating yet safe riding experience. The 48V15AH removable battery supports up to 22 miles of pure electric travel or 60 miles with pedal assist mode, giving riders extensive range for commuting or recreational rides. Riders can switch between relaxed, balanced, and faster riding modes seamlessly, tailoring the bike's performance to their needs.
Its compact and foldable design makes the DTTZH A12 easy to store in apartments, offices, or car trunks, and the adjustable seat ensures ergonomic comfort for various adult riders. Combining speed, battery longevity, advanced suspension, and smart usability, the DTTZH A12 foldable electric bike is a premium option under $500 that stands out for both urban commuting and leisure rides. It balances innovation, safety, and portability, making it a highly practical choice for adult riders seeking a reliable and powerful e-bike.
Number 4. LELEKUAI 48-volt foldable electric bike. The LELEKUAI 48-volt foldable electric bike is engineered for adults seeking a practical, high-performance e-bike that fits both urban and recreational needs. Equipped with a 560-watt motor, this foldable e-bike reaches speeds up to 24 miles per hour, providing strong acceleration for commuting, errands, or casual rides. Its 48-volt 10Ah removable battery extends travel distance and allows indoor charging, offering convenience and worry-free performance. Riders can choose from 3 levels of pedal assist to match their preferred effort, or switch to manual cycling for a more traditional riding experience, making it ideal for city dwellers and frequent travelers. With an ergonomic saddle and adjustable handlebars, riders enjoy a comfortable position even on longer rides. The lightweight yet durable design ensures balance, agility, and durability, combining practical functionality with modern styling. Perfect for adults navigating urban environments, the bike delivers a reliable and enjoyable riding experience, from daily commuting to weekend adventures. Its combination of speed, power, and portability makes the LELEKUAI 48-volt foldable electric bike a standout choice for budget-conscious riders seeking a versatile, convenient, and efficient e-bike under $500.
Number 5. The Tuziwuzs 23-mile-per-hour foldable electric bike provides a well-rounded mix of speed, portability, and comfort, ideal for adults who want a dependable and efficient ride. Its 400-watt brushless motor, peaking at 500 watts, allows the bike to reach speeds of 23 miles per hour, providing sufficient power to tackle inclines in city streets with ease. Powered by a 48-volt, 12-amp-hour removable battery, riders can enjoy 21 to 35 miles of pure electric range per charge, and even more with pedal assist mode. The foldable design and lightweight frame, weighing just 62 pounds, make it convenient for storage, car transport, or apartment living. Adjustable seats and handlebars ensure personalized ergonomics for maximum comfort on rides of any length, giving riders confidence on busy streets or dim conditions. Certification by UL and GCC demonstrates the bike's adherence to quality and safety standards, providing reassurance for buyers. Ideal for commuting, recreational rides, or short errands, the Tuziwuzs foldable e-bike offers a balance of speed, comfort, and portability at an affordable price. Its practical design, combined with battery efficiency, foldability, and safety features, makes the Tuziwuzs 23-mile-per-hour foldable electric bike a top contender for adults seeking an under $500 solution without compromising performance, reliability, or convenience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.